In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Cassie!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass if you're ready for another set of DIYs. So these projects are going to be filled with cute summer crafts, and I'm going to be starting it out with grabbing these beach towels from Walmart, and then I'm going to be upgrading the look. So if you want to see how all of these summer crafts turn out, then let's go ahead and let's get right started. So first up, I'm going to be creating these monogram beach towels, and after I measure the front of where I want my monogram to be, then I head to Design Space so that I can go ahead and choose the font as well as the size that I'm going to be using for the Cricut to cut out the actual letters to place on front of the towels. And then after I finally decide on a good size that I want to use, then I click the go ahead and make it button and save the project and get it ready to get cut. And you don't see it on the screen, but I did make sure to mirror the image because I'm using an iron-on, and the screen will also remind you to make sure to do that as well. And then after I got the letters cut, then I weeded out the excess material, and here I am just seeing where I want to place it on the towel, and I'm going to be using my iron with the no heat setting to get this secured in place. So next up is this basic lunchbox that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I thought it would go perfect with the theme with the beach day with the beach towels. So you can take this along with you for summer, for the beach, and I'm going to be doing a monogram lunchbox. So I also noticed while I was making my monogram that there also is a monogram section on Cricut Design Space. You just need to sign up for a subscription to do it. So that's another option. I just decided to continue to make my own. And so now I'm just making it and getting it cut out. basically s'more season. So next up, I'm going to be creating some cute s'more crafts, starting with this tray that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be labeling the categories to have a cute display if you want to do like a s'mores table or something like that. And here I am just trying to decide on the font and the layout that I want to use for the letters. And after everything is cut, then just weed out the letters and transfer the letters to the tray. And I wanted to do a little bit more extra to it, so I decided to flip it over and add some Mod Podge and some glitter just to give it a little bit of extra texture and sparkle from the front. So I've been seeing these s'more boxes all over the place, or s'more kits, and I thought that this would be the perfect craft for me to upcycle a previous DIY that I did years ago. And so I'm just going to be using this toolbox from the dollar store, and I'm going to be upgrading it to make it look like one of the s'more boxes that you can use to put like your marshmallows and the graham crackers and the chocolate and everything, for a kit to have your little stash for every summer. So then I added some text on the front, and I thought it would be cute to add some doodles on the front as well for decoration. watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with the bell to see what I'm crafting next.